How can you actually earn a yield on your gold? In this video, we will review the gold investment company Monetary Metals. We will discuss how Monetary Metals work, their gold lease and bond products, investment minimums, and much more. To read the full article or to get started right now with Monetary Metals, see the links in the video description. Monetary Metals is a unique precious metals investing platform and company offering you a chance to earn returns on your gold. Monetary Metals fixed income products unlock the productivity of gold by providing gold investors with a real yield while providing low risk as well. Innovatively designed by its founder, Keith Weiner, his goal and the core business idea of Monetary Metals is to encourage gold to circulate more freely as money. How do they do this? By offering a yield on gold paid in gold. The company's modus operandi is simple yet effective. They identify productive gold businesses such as jewelers, miners, refiners, mints, electronics manufacturers, recyclers, and more. These businesses need gold to finance their inventory, their growth, and works in progress. Monetary Metals steps in to lease or loan physical gold to them, eliminating their need to worry about fluctuating gold prices. This innovative approach allows these businesses to focus on their core crafts without the risk of commodity price changes, all the while providing gold investors with a real yield paid in gold. Monetary Metals Gold Lease. At the heart of Monetary Metals operation is their gold lease. Businesses pay their rental fee or loan back in ounces of gold. Monetary Metals serves as a market maker, matching gold owners with gold businesses. Businesses typically pay a fee of 2 to 3% for the gold that they lease. This fee is deducted from the gross interest rate. So, if investors earn 2 to 5% in their leases, businesses are paying between 4 to 8% to lease the gold. The model secures a win-win situation for all parties involved. Gold and silver, the so-called monetary metals, have proven their worth throughout history. They have been treasured assets from biblical times, a reliable means of storing wealth recognized across cultures and geographic boundaries. Nowadays, these metals are important elements and hedges of your portfolio, offering stability, protection, and diversification during economic uncertainties. With all those advantages in mind, an often voiced criticism of gold and silver ownership is the opportunity cost of gaining yields elsewhere, such as investments in bonds or high-quality equities. Monetary Metals eliminates this objection and provides the investor with a safe haven asset married with the advantage of paying interest. Investing in precious metals isn't just about preserving wealth, it's about growing it. Is Monetary Metals a reputable company? Traditionally, the opportunities offered by Monetary Metals were exclusive to clients of large investment banks, but Monetary Metals has democratized this process, making it accessible to anyone who can meet the account minimums. This groundbreaking approach to precious metals investing has garnered praise from investors and industry insiders alike, including the Family Wealth Report. What sets Monetary Metals apart is not just their unique leasing model, but also their commitment to transparency and security. Boasting an impressive record, Monetary Metals has successfully completed more than 50 lease and bond deals, including renewals, since 2016. This showcases the company's robust risk management and unwavering commitment to their clients. While your precious metals are on lease, Monetary Metals keeps a close eye on them. They employ a team of professionals who thoroughly conduct due diligence on the leasing companies, ensuring that these companies use your gold and silver responsibly. Additionally, a separate team is tasked with monitoring the lease compliance and performance. This dual-layered approach safeguards your metals and ensures that they are accounted for, even when they are deployed in productive uses. Through these measures, Monetary Metals provides a unique, secure, and lucrative opportunity for precious metal investments. This provision of return on investment, coupled with rigorous monitoring and due diligence, makes Monetary Metals a compelling choice in the precious metals investment domain. As an investor, you are not just investing in gold and silver, but also contributing to industries that rely on them, thereby fostering economic growth. Monetary Metals Gold Bond. While Monetary Metals opens its gold and silver leases to all investors, be aware that their gold and silver bonds are exclusively available to accredited investors. This distinction is significant as gold and silver bonds are not merely another form of leasing, but are in fact a unique security with higher risks but higher returns. The requirement for accreditation is rooted in regulations that are meant to protect you. Gold and silver bonds, like other securities, comes with certain risks that could potentially lead to some financial loss. Accreditation serves as a means to guarantee that you have the financial wherewithal to withstand such risk. What is the minimum investment for Monetary Metals? To get started opening an account with Monetary Metals, you will need to invest a minimum of 10 ounces of gold, which will vary in price due to market fluctuations. This is a necessary initial investment to start an account and deploy your ounces into leases or bonds. Not only will you retain your initial ounces, but you will also receive additional gold as interest from the monthly payments. Monetary Metals' average rate of return on gold leases is around 3%, which is competitive with present real rates. In evaluating Monetary Metals offerings, it's key to understand that their advertised return are net of fees, meaning that the returns that you see have already accounted for any fee costs or charges. This transparency is an asset to you as an investor, as it eliminates the element of surprise often associated with hidden charges and investment transactions. Monetary Metals conducts its operations with utmost clarity. You're given the expected return on your investment up front with no hidden fees or charges. Monetary Metals offers free storage and insurance on any metal not leased out or invested in bonds. This is not a standard offering in the industry where storage fees can range from 0.5% to 2%. It is a significant advantage that can save you a great amount of money over time. To sum it up, Monetary Metals offers a solid investment opportunity. They provide a way to diversify your portfolio with precious metals, which is a tried and true store of value, but also pay yields at the same time. With their unique offerings, they stand out among their competitors. So don't overlook the potential advantages to investing in Monetary Metals. It is a savvy investment strategy that could bolster your financial resilience and deliver a healthy return. To get started right now with Monetary Metals, see the direct link in the video description. Thank you for watching.